We're out here in what's eventually going to be a more complicated food forest of native fruiting trees and shrubs. But what I wanted to highlight out here is that last year volunteers pulled stiltgrass, which is this invasive weed from Japan. And the area behind me used to be pure stiltgrass, and all of it was about 1 foot tall. Now you see tons of ironweed and many other native perennials that get 4 to 8, even 12 feet tall, surging up, and none of these were visible last year. So this area, again, was curated by volunteers. The stiltgrass needs to be pulled again, but as an annual, we can remove this before it sets seed, and we can suppress it. The seed bank under us has a decade worth of seeds in it, and every time we disturb an area and open it up to air and light, new weeds will emerge. But as long as we keep the pressure up and continue championing these native perennials around them, the stiltgrass will eventually go and the natives will win.